Am I live? Yes, I am. I don't know. Why is it saying upcoming? Waiting for what? I'm not streaming? What do you mean I'm not streaming? Edit video. Bruh, I just like completely live. Now it says live. What? Ah, it's good. I think I'm gonna increase this or not. I don't know. So basically, I did all of this. Now I'm realizing that there's a fuck ton, and I'm gonna yeah. So I'm gonna completely do overhaul this. Starting with the SQL commands, I did all of this. So basically, I did these, and I'm gonna do again. So I just need to copy paste them in. I just need to copy paste them, I guess. Copy paste. So data definition language. So all of this. So data definition language, single comments, multi comments. So let's put that here. Writing comments. Okay, I did not include that. So SQL comments, data definition language. Do I really need to add this? No, I'm not gonna add that. So I'm just gonna do so SQL definition, writing comments in SQL. So there we go. Paste that over here. Now if I do it here, writing comments in SQL, creating database. So I need to do something about this. So SULD. So it's from week. It's from week. So SQL. Not now. So I did all of this. So I have create table. Okay. Start, I guess. So no window management. Alt tab. Literally no window management. So yeah, it's gonna be difficult. So if I can do something like this, so create database instead of so 1 2, so this one and then this one and then this one goes like so. Now if I do like, I don't know, so from here to here to here to here to here to here, so yank this and then paste this over here. So if I do this, now let's start reading. So if you have seen the image, if you have seen the image of server versus database, the server and database is not created. Click here. So if I do, I don't know, no, it's Windows N, I guess. So Windows N, no, Control N, nope, Windows E. I guess Windows E it is. So just keep this over here, keep this over here. Now if I do, just give me a second. Obsidian, the management, I have a place where I keep all the, like, obsidian. So database systems, database schema. Ding 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 ding. Yeah, here it is. I don't know why it can't like find the file. I don't know why. So let me show you. Windows M. Again, this piece of shit. Ah, shit. So we have that, and then we have this. So this is the server versus the database thing. And then if I do Alt F4, if I do come here, if I do go here, so server and database .png. So what was it? Okay, so server and database .png 800. Bruh. Server and database versus database. Oh, okay, I guess that's what was wrong. Yank this, paste this over here, and delete this. So basically, wait, what? Oh, why doesn't? I don't know. So this will go here. Where we're going with this. We're not going to create a new database with the name. We are now going to create a new database with the identifier name. We are now undo. We are now going to create another database with the identifier name test. We need to learn the first, second, so create database db name. Hence you can modify the above template to command to this. When you're going to create the database, you will see that the object of explorer on the object. This is because from what I can say, it's not in real time. Hence we need to press the refresh icon near our disconnect button. Yes. If you use Git or GitHub, then you have branches like main and master and the other user created ones. We do not really have this here, but we have it in terms of database. In terms of database names, database names. Is that true? SQL Server. Okay, let me just do one thing first. Let me just close this. But I mean, I think it's okay to see. Is it gonna load? Yes, it's gonna load. Connect. So if I do for the databases and then the database models and master, this is the database. So I'm gonna disconnect. I'm gonna close this. So for the moment I'm gonna just close it. We didn't have in terms of database names. So that would be nice. When you create that database test, you're going to have to type it in the editor. You will be typing in the master database. This is fine. We did not create any problems yet. For now, no. For now, this is not good yet. Follow well now. After creating our database test, we need to switch. Switch to our test database. You can either select the database in the object file, make sure you can also use a drop down menu and select the database. If you do not do this step, all our table indices and more will be created in our master database. That is not good, mate. So that was the thing. That was for the creation of table. Verification of table. So wait a second. So I'm just gonna do this data definition language, and then uh, create database, create database command, create the database. So this, the create database here, what is it's free, it was free here, yeah. So this is gonna be 2. So nice. Does this will sense know that we harder header. Okay, so yank this. I just paste it over here. So I guess paste this over here. So now what we can do is we can like place a line here. Bro, I just learned so much today about like built-in function and stuff. I was like, nah, I need to remake this. This is not good. So I'm not going to run the. So let's read. Verification and creation of database. Yes, you can verify if our thus our output file will be. Hence, we can say that we have successfully created our database. Note, does not contain a header. If we take the example, header would be name. I will find a way to get the output for headers. For a moment, please bear with me. Create tables. So creation of tables. So verification of creation of no, let's just create our table. No, let's read this first. So data type, she's to talk about data types. Yes, and then numeric. Oh, I can actually run this. I'm gonna make a note then for the data type. Don't know what's this. ID the key values. Identity columns can be used for generating key values. Each new value is created for the current seed and increment each new values. Identity, I don't understand this. Each new value is generated based on the current seed and increment. Oh, I know what I'm talking about. I did this when I was in Oracle 10G. I was like learning this. So basically just like create another number. For each new value for the physical transaction is different from the concurrent transaction type. Another incrementing identification number. Okay, we need to do this. Let's create a simple table. Create a normal table. Verification of normal table. Miscellaneous, I'm gonna call it miscellaneous, and I'm just gonna like add things to it. So create table, let's go to create normal table. So let's go for the verification also. So I'm just gonna yank this, yay, I'm just gonna paste this over here, vd, and then vd, and then vd, vd, okay. So for now we are good here, but we have to do something called adding the list of contents. Obviously we need the list of contents. SQL command definition, create tables. Bruh, or is it? Create simple table. But where is like create simple oh no. Oh no. Yank this and paste this over here. So this should be 2, I guess. So create table. We now create we can now create database object like table. This and more. Don't forget to switch to the desk server, or else everything will be fucked up. So we could say the create table command is going to be here. Oh no, guess I have to delete it. Create table commands. So create table commands, okay. Stable create verification of creation of table. So create a normal table, verification and creation of table. So from the systables, yes, systables. So if I do something like so let's open up chat.openai.com, and then let's say, for example, SQL Server help, and then I go to delete values in a table. We use the delete command, but to delete the actual table we use the drop command. Is that true? Yes, that is correct. Very correct. Yes, this is correct. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, just like when you don't know, you ask questions. That's what I like. Fuck off. I said something shit. So so what was it? 2, 3. So miscellaneous. So identity. Oh no, it's identity. Is it? So it's not. It's identity. CW identity slash serial column. Undo. So I need to do something about this. So for example, this is going to be create a simple table. Create a simple table. So create a normal normal table. Create a normal table, and then identity. So Shift G, bro. Shift G. Identity serial data type. Can you explain to me what the identity constraint does? I think from what I have found, from what I read, it is used to generate key values. They are also saying that it auto increments when we create a new record. Is the statements true? Oh, these statements true. Is this updated? Why your memory updated? Yes. But what if you do some something like this? tt21 or identity and tt12. Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh. Starting value. Oh, okay. Serial data type. This is used to create key values. This is used to create key values. They are used to create key values. So I don't know how to like do it. So it's an identity property. So yeah, it's not a data type. The data type is int, bruh. Property. So the identity property means applies the following conditions, bruh. Conditions, bruh. Conditions. So on the column that we have applied it, so we have new value is generated based on the current seed. So starting value and increments. So you could say user user defined also. No, also user defined. Row X should be VD should be also user defined. New value for particular transaction is different from other concurrent transaction on the table. Example, automatically incrementing identification number. So so here is an example below. So down arrow and then SQL. So create table new underscore so new employees. So and then I say ID int identity. So 1 1 bruh. So I'm just gonna say this, and I'm just gonna say f name first underscore name first name var char 20, then minute, what the fuck is that, last name, let's just forget about that, var char 20, then the constraint with the constraint name of pk underscore new employees primary key, and then we say specify the primary key ID. So that is that. Is this correct? I don't think so. Let's check. So primary, yeah, it's correct. So the primary key is that. So primary key column for yeah. So yeah. ID field has the property identity added. Can you add the identity property with a constraint? Oh, oh, it's not the primary key. Okay. Identity has a property identity. So you added. So tip, changing the parameters of identity. So 234 verify creation of table. So simply run the SQL command found below, down arrow. So found below, and then also SQL. No, yeah. So select all from. No, I did not select all. I did select like a specific thing. Copy, and then obviously paste this over here from systable. So and then where name is equal to, so a pattern, an exact matching. We call this an exact matching, and that is what I've learned today. So new no, this is not how you do this. This is how you do this. So employees. Here are the results for our query up arrow. So it's a .csv file, I guess. So so changing the parameters of identity. As you can see from the above example, we have written slash more like typed. So yeah, this and this types identity identify identity 1 but what does that actually mean? This means that so the first number slash parameter is called the seed value. This is basically the starting value. So the second number slash parameter is the number that we are going to be incrementing. In this case, we are incrementing in the auto generated value by 1. Further, so but what if you had something like identity, so 50 12 and then like 4, I guess. I mean 2. Let's just 2 because I have the like actually how it like tells me. So 2 1 3 2. Yeah, 1 and then plus 2 it becomes 3 plus so something like that. This simply means that it will start at the number 12, increment by 2. So 1 2 3 plus 3 plus 2, so 5, so 7, and so on. So here we have that. So let's bring up SQL Server Studio, Management Studio, MSSMS, and then we connect to our local host, and then we say databases, test, tables, DBO, and then let's Control N to bring up a new query. So what if we say select all from sys tables, F5 to run the thing? So we get this. Now if I do that, I guess, so we do this, and then we do this, copy and then paste this over here. Identity, oh shit, I made a mistake. So that is nice, sir. Control V. Why is it identity? Let's try to execute this. Syntax error near identity. Why do you have a syntax error? Okay, let's just copy this, paste this here. I am getting syntax error near identity. What? This should be fine. Identity. Incorrect syntax near. Oh, is it like that? It can't be like that. No, cancel. I don't want to save this. Oh. Identity. The fuck? Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. I didn't know how to write identity, I guess. Oh my. So execute. So if we say, for example, ooh la la. Control V F5, and then you're gonna say the user table, and then I'm gonna say we're gonna save result as. So I'm gonna say new employees table save. Okay. No. Control Shift. The F8 to bring up the Explorer. Disconnect from that. Close. Just like. How much is my RAM usage? For 5. It's okay. Gaming, like typical gaming. So if I open this with something called a notepad. If I do Control A, Control X, Alternate F4, don't save, and then where are you? Here you are. This is the correct thing. So changing the parameters of identity. As you can see, we have now learned about identity. No, but what did I do next? What did I do next? Creating a table. So a foreign key constraint. These are constraints. The unique constraint. These are constraints. So what did I do? I did the constraints, and then I started the manipulation language. So I'm gonna start learning about user-defined data types. So yeah, types. So control 1. Control 2, and then here we are going to have create table commands. So create tables, create types. So I'm gonna say what am I gonna say? I don't know. Oh no. Security enhancement feature. What? Oh, referential integrity. Yeah. Stable, create table, syntax, create table, alter table, and then drop table. Did she do type? Control F, type data types. Oh no, create type, type, user defined data type. So let's create the database. Okay, let's create a database. So this is 1. No, this is 1. So this is can't be 1. So SQL command. What? Unable to find the section. What? Oh, yeah. Create novel table identity serial property. I'm not gonna type that, obviously. I'm not that menacing. Create table. So I'm just gonna say 1, 2, 3. Create types. Think think of these like object oriented programming. Basically, basically we can also create user defined data types in SQL, structured in SQL. So database language, structured query language, and SQL here. Object oriented programming. Hence, I don't know how I feel about this one. I'm gonna go for a pee break. Just give me a second. I'm gonna mute. Yeah, so I am back. I guess I'm gonna first of all do some kind of backup because uh, I am scared a bit because I am not used to using Windows. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this one also. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go A. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna this. I'm gonna go to O. I'm gonna go S. I'm gonna Control C, Control V. Alternate F4. Right click. Open Git Bash here. So Git status, and then it's gonna refresh the index because it's dumb. Okay, so I'm not saying Git is dumb. I'm saying Windows is dumb because I don't get this in Linux. So add it to files. contract files introduction, and then so okay, so git add dot git commit dash m starting the refactoring process of SQL nodes. Git push dash u origin main. Okay, I guess this is okay. Yeah, so user defined data types. Example. What example do I have? So basically the example that I'm gonna give is adding. So wait, I did make a mistake here. Wait, where's lazy beam? What? Where does this come from? What? New employees. Okay, we are going to create a table, new employees. So P align is equal to align center. So table new employees slash p. So we have u id slash u slash like that, just like that. First name, last name, and then that's it. So this so we are going to have something like that. Create a table employee x. Now you know what this does, we don't need that, so we need that, something like that. So create types. Think of this object, think of it like object oriented programming. Basically we're going to create types from our row data types. So example, alter address, add address column in table in example. We are now going to add going to add a field address in the table new employees that table employees. so so create address type. No, that is not that is my bottle. Yeah. Ah, shit. The fuck is this? This mean. Address type. Creating user define type. So we are going alter the table new employees to become like this. Down arrow, down arrow. Not null. I mean, like what can say default. I forgot how to add the default value. Default. Uh, No, for the constraint I know. No, the default constraint for inside or just default value. Okay, but like the constraint here, and I know for column this, you know, but like just like put it here. Okay, I forgot. I'm human after all. Default what? Default the default value. So uh, this is how so create our address data type. So wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. What is this? Just close this piece of garbage, mate. Oh my fucking god, bro. So how do you actually use it? Okay, let's just like create it. Create our data address data type. So SQL create type. So address from varchar 50. There we go. In this case, do not have any constraints associated with it. Dot. So what we have started create types. So create types. So create types. So I can just do this. So this, and then a list of content, multi-line modification of table commands, creating the user defined data type. What does this bring me? So here command to create. So delete this, undo, delete this, and then so command to create user defined the actual command. So there we go. I have the so I'm gonna do connect to the object explorer, and I'm gonna say connect. So wait a second. Are these user defined data types permanent or or will they be gone after I close the program? /database. So databases test control N. So let's go here. Create a permanent so we add a node here. So info. These user defined data types that we are creating are permanent. They are stored as objects in the database. If you want to remove them, you can use the command SQL By the way, when I'm taking notes, I always put this in the back of my mind. Perfection is not the point. Progress is. I'm writing this. Will I use them? Maybe. Maybe I will use them. I think I need to learn them. So because I have a test, I'm gonna be tested on that. So I think it's drop rule. Uh, oh, bro, why? Why do you do this? So drop rule, and then drop rule. So a new SQ. Why? What? Are you joking? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna say drop rule SQL server drop rule co command command. Ah, shit. No, drop rule. I'm not gonna say drop type. Drop type command. Just click on it. Drop default view. What the fuck? Oh my god. No, did it say rule there? Because if it's gonna be rule, then we have to learn rule first. Bruh, 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 bruh. Oh my god. It said drop rule. Or drop type. So followed by the type name, I guess. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. That's how I'm gonna drop type drop type underscore name. So let's go ahead and create our type. In that case, we go create our type. So create type address from varchar 50, I guess. 50 5 completed creator. So and then I'm gonna say uh, so I'm gonna say creating type. 150 seems good. Create type. Creating type. Oh, 450 is too big. That's what she said. 100 is like okay. 110, 121, 110. So creating type. Deleting slash dropping bomb on here. I'm sorry. Dropping type. So drop type address. So if I do F8, I'm pressing F9. If I do, it's not gonna be tables, I guess. External resources. It's not gonna be on the. field, adding new field address to our uh, table. So as we have already created the table, we are going to use the alter command to add the new column. I don't know how to do that, by the way. Alter table new employees, add column, so add column name, so address with address. Is this going to work? There's only one way to find out. Oh, column. I don't know how to spell column. What? Wait. I need to wait. How can I check command to check if I created a type in SQL? Oh my god. Sys type. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm at this. I don't have time to wait. I don't have time to wait. Wait up. How am I gonna say, like, how is it created? I want to know where it's created. Where are types created in SQL Server? Do I have Claude AI? Give me a moment. When ChatGPT goes down, continue with Claude. Creation of verification of creation of no, how did I verification creation of a table? So okay, verification dash creation of type. I don't fucking understand, bro. I don't understand at all. Oh my god. I'm gonna suck some. No. It's not working. The cloud is not working. I'm gonna close that. It's basically not working. It's shit. I need a server, SQL server. Can I search for type? Wait, user defined data type. Yeah. User defined data type. Oh shit, my screen was off. Uh, uh, Programmability? What the fuck is that? Tools. There's no. Wait a second. What is that? SQL command mode. I said it doesn't work. I guess. I don't know. Alter. Uh, Wait a second. No, I don't have it. No, but I think I have it in here. Control F alter. Oh, it's just a column name. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gonna kill somebody. So if I do select all from new employees, I should get something like, okay, it's only the fucking, there's no column here. So yes, oof. But I still have not found the verification of uh oh, sys types. That was our that is what I was trying to from sys dot types. F5 F5 to run that. by the way, I did not explain that I still have Windows for obviously these things especially, but I need Windows, like I'm using SQL Server, and in Arch I can't get it to work. Even in Debian, when I tried to run it, it just like fucking crashed my update. So you know, you know, uh, check where, uh, check if our field slash column has been created successfully. Hence, we can say have learned and about types. So a success. So new employee table. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill somebody. Delete this. Select new employees F5. Save this bitch as. Wait, I can't save it. So uh, add add one value to our table. New employees. If I do not add this, I will not be able to get a .csv output. CSV output. So SQL insert into table, so new employees, and then insert into table employees. So how did I like, so database lab sheet 2. Did I put a space? Yeah, I did put I did put so much space. so I'm gonna say ID, and I'm gonna say I'm not gonna create the ID. First name, last name, and then address. So values. So I'm gonna say guy 1, bruh, something wrong. Address string 1. So let's try to run this and see, because I want to see what will happen to the so I want to test its auto auto generated capability. That's a generation table. Open with notepad. Control C, alternate 4. Something wrong. I'm not racist. I swear. I'm not racist. As we can all see and agree, our identity is working correctly. What time was it when I that was 40 minutes ago. That is why Claude was not working. I'm such a fucking fool. Oh no. Oh no. Where was I? Double success. So this is not how you write success. This is how you write success. Double success. So we have the command to create and the example. The command, here is the command to create, verification, example. I'm gonna adding new field to address table. So so adding new field to address example. So example of using type command, or using user defined data types. So now we are moving on to creating rules. We're now going to create rules. Oh my god. Create types. What was create types on 2? So now I'm just gonna create another thing called rules. Create rules. This is what? Do you follow your rules and regulations? Dash underscore dash. Or do you follow your rules and regulations? No, I don't. I don't. That is the truth. I don't. This is basically no, but wait a second. Creating user defined data types. Creating user defined data types without constraints. So if I do this, if I do, for example, this example, the actual command, so prof creating data types 1 2, and then this is going to be here. So now if I do this, I should be able to do this. And then if I do, so creating user defined data types, I'm sorry, creating, I'm not gonna type that, no, hell no. Yank this and then shift B, and then yeah, creating this, and then we're gonna say create rules. So create rule will fall under the category create rules. Create, should I give it the same thing? Because it's part of thing. So I'm gonna say, so create rules, and then using define data types. So and then so I'm gonna say this, and then I'm gonna say create rules, creating rules, create rules, delete. Okay, so it's create rules here. If I do something like so, because it's gonna fall under, yeah, it's good enough, I don't care, progresses. So this is basically basically creating create types, user define data types in user defined data you know what I need to do? I need to say SQL commands constraints no, it's okay, can delete this, I'm gonna do it later. Constraint, so 1 2 3 4, so you creating user define data types with data types data type with constraints. So here we're going to have creating user defined with constraints. So we're gonna have all of this to basically here, and then shift P, and I can press this, it's gonna go here. It's only 1 hour and 30 minutes. I feel like 2 hours has passed. Yeah, I need ChatGPT. It's like 54, I guess. Yeah. So creating user data with constraints. This is basically creating user defined data types with constraints. So 4 steps. Create your desired data type from the base data types. Then create the role slash constraint. Bind the constraint to that data type. For this example, I will be adding another field slash column to our table, our table. Fucking new employees. I will also be using the lecturer's note. So wait a second. You're telling me I can click here, Control C, Control V, create rules. So wait. Info. To learn more about types, you can visit these sites. Control V. What? It just like automatically. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want that though. I mean, it's nice that it does that, but I don't actually want that. Because what if one day I don't have my notes here and I don't have this, and I have like how will I remember the link? Well, I mean, you can click on the link and the thing, but are you am I, can you do that? I don't remember, but now you know, basically you can type it out, like, you know, you can type it out. So notes, so going to create steps, really. Create user define type. So no, it was nice like this. So yank this, paste this, and paste this, undo, paste this over here. 4 so create the data type, user define data type. So SQL, so create type gender, sex, I got from char 1 this. So and then create the role slash constraint for our user define data type. So SQL create rule. So uh, so 1 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 command to create rule. The actual command. The actually command. Yeah. The actually command. Yeah, it's the goat, mate. The goat. Yeah. So here is the I will show you the template first, then the fucking example. I just want to write fucking there. Rule underscore name and then constraints where oh constraints. No, it's not good because I need to like basically show the user. It's not like you can't do that. So I understand this is a rule name. So gender type as at list. It's not like in bracket. So it's at list. So at list in motherfucker. F. So O and then this. Finally add the bind the rule. So bind the rule / constraint to that user define data type. So SQLing. I'm gonna like fucking exec bind rule. Do I have ChatGPT? Ah, 21 minutes, bro. 21. So bind rule is a thing in the like. So bind rule, underscore bind rule, sex type rule and sex type. So in our case, it's going to be gender, and then no. So sex type rule first. So the rule is first. So the rule is first. Type. Yeah, I'm not using a proper naming scheme. Rule, and then the gender. So type. Now, can you do something like, can you just alter type address? Yeah. I don't know how you do that. gender type, role. You know what, just because I can here, I am going to add address type. I'm just gonna change it here. Type ID is gonna type, let's just say like, how, who's gonna know, I mean everyone who watches this video is gonna know, but who's gonna know into 1 hour and 45 minutes? Like, who's gonna know? They're gonna know. And that's it, I think. Yeah, and the command. So type, so vd, so the bind rule, gender bind rule. So let's copy everything and paste, and stop paste this now. Let's create the type. Wait. Let's create the type and control A, F5. So let's create this now. Control V, control A, F5. Control delete, control A, F5. Mwah. So 1 2 3 4 5. So the table new employees is we are now going to add a new field undo. I think I have already set this to field called gender to the table, to that table. So it becomes something like that, like this. Paste this over here, and like a gender. Oh no, I need this. Undo. So gender, and then this can go here like so, then this can go OD like so. Now I can do this, can do this, so create the new again here, also using the alter command, SQL alter table new employees, add gender type. Control A, Control V, Control A, F5. Here we can quickly check if it has been added by running down arrow. I think I'm gonna take a break now. I'm gonna continue later. Yeah, select all from new employees, Control A, F5, null. Copy with header, result as table 1, save. I'm getting tired now. I need a break. Control A, Control C, Control V. So here are the results, CSV. So because we did not add any value to gen to records one we did not add any value for gender to record ones code 1. This is why we have null. Now if I do something like control update, table new employees, update comes. I forgot about the update. Yeah, I genuinely forgot about update SQL command. Update set. Okay. Set gender is equal to m, where ID is equal to 1. 5. Update table. It's not. So select all from new employees. Yeah, I need a break now. Gender. So but if we run this command below, these commands below, down arrow, so SQL, so Control C, Control V, we are going to get CSV 10k, yank this, so CIW success. Hence I think have completed 1% of create rule. What do you think? Create rule. What do I have next? So this I have already done. Yeah. Create table. Okay, create type, create any type, create table, create any rules. Okay, we can have rules as range, at range. Okay, we can have rules as range. So exact bind rule. So rule tips. Select all from new employees. So I'm gonna say create rule and then this is the steps. So more commands. So yeah, so I'm gonna say tip more commands. So we have, so yeah, uh, range command, range command. You know what? I'm gonna continue this. Okay, bye. See you later.